We went through the some fundamental basic knowledge about this warehouse management. So today is our agenda. I will complete this cycling, this whole cycle because this is a new one, new environment. So we will do from scratch. Everything we have to configure. It's better that you will be also understand all these things. So I'll complete this cycle. After that, I will see one by one each. Sanjay and Rajan, they will also configure from scratch. And what are the things I'm configuring now? I'm giving some prefix like that because of notification. Suppose I'm giving suppose the pick location I'm giving G pick, means Gyan pick. If Sanjay will do S pick, so that we will do three of them. We will do that. Okay. So from scratch, I'm going to create a site and warehouse, which we have already discussed how to create the site and warehouse. So go to the warehouse management setup and warehouse sites. But you cannot create record. The all. Okay. So I'm creating. Suppose I'm creating G site. What are the things I'm giving like that only? G site one. Okay. Address something I'm giving. Okay. So this is G site one. Country I am giving something random. US. Okay. Working slow. Zip code is required. I'm giving the zip code. Suppose the first one I'm giving the zip code, and street also I'm giving. Copy and paste here. Click it OK. Okay, so rest of the things I think not required. After complete, I'm going to warehouse because site is mandatory for creating one warehouse. One site, remember one site have number of warehouse, but one warehouse having one site is linked with one site only. So I'm giving G warehouse. Okay. One G. I'm giving 1 second. Oh, sorry. G main warehouse. Creating everything from scratch. Okay. So I'm selecting the G site. Quarantine warehouse. I'm giving something EQAR quarantine warehouse. I'm giving the same site because generally quarantine warehouse nearby the main warehouse only. I'm closing the form, selecting the quarantine warehouse. Transit warehouse, click view details. The transit warehouse. You see, I just see these things very carefully. You will also will do the same. I'm giving the G site, save it, close the form, select the transit warehouse, what we have created, transit warehouse. Okay. Master planning not required, leave it. Inventory warehouse, okay, we'll do that. We'll do that. As of now, leave it. Address, okay, give some address. This is G main warehouse. Okay. I use a capital one. Select the zip code. I am selecting the first one. Okay. And this is random. If suppose in the at time real at time environment, you will give something which customer is given. Hierarchy, leave it as of now is not required. Retail, leave it. Warehouse is required. I will tell you. Okay. So as of now, I have configured the site and warehouse. So go to the duplicate tab. Next step. We have created the warehouse, but 1 second. Okay. So we have created the warehouse, but we should enable this warehouse in our environment. So for that, go to the warehouse management setup. Then enable warehouse management process. Click enable warehouse management process, enable warehouse setup. Click new. Select the warehouse which you have created, main warehouse. Sorry, GWH, right? G main. Main. Save it. Validate changes. Then process the changes. Run in the batch. So after some time, you will get a message. Get a message, leave it or else. Okay. So yeah, you get a message that the warehouse G main warehouse has been enabled to use warehouse management process. So it is now enabled for we can use in our environment or in our warehouse management process. So this is the one tab. Every time you should open 2-3 tabs. Okay, because suppose you will go the same tab, it will be confusing. So this is my main warehouse. You can see we have to give some receipt location. Okay, so our main motto is that today I'll tell you what is our main motto. I will open one Excel so that's I will describe my what is our means requirement so that we'll configure. Okay, so our requirement today is customer given some order for suppose I'm using this item only A0001 item for 10 quantity. So this is the customer request. We are going to create a sales order for 10 quantities. Then we should inform to our worker to pick the item in pick location and put the item in bay door. Bay door, remember that bay door is the end point of this warehouse where the truck will attach and we will load. Put the in bay door. After pick and after it will be completed, we will complete the invoicing or packing slip. So this is our today's motto. This is our today's agenda. How will you configure in warehouse using the warehouse management process? So we should inform to our warehouse worker, pick the item, 10 quantity of A0001 in pick location and put in bay door. After that, we'll complete and invoice it. This is our motto. Okay. So here, okay. This is it. So save it. To keep this. Okay. So now one by one we'll configure. Leave it these things because we have to give some default receipt location. Why we are giving default receipt location? Suppose we are not mentioning anything in our sales order. So there should be one default receipt location. So by default, this when item is coming from supplier, it is coming to the particular location. So this is required. Once I give this one, then I save it. This will be enabled. So let it be. When I will continue to creating the location and location profile, we will see. After that, we'll add it. Okay. So I'm going to the next step. So from starting, we will do one by one. So setup, leave it these things, setup. What is the setup in warehouse management parameter? Go to the warehouse management parameter. This is I am going to set up once, so you don't require to set up again and again. So GS company prefix, leave it. This is required for company wise, but when you are doing intercompany something, this is leave it. This requires for prefix. Location profile, user location profile by default USMF giving the location profile is user. Location type also he has given by default is the staging location, stage, packing location, pack, bed or location, bed or he has already given. So don't require. If you want, you can create a location, give it. Let it be. Receiving ASN. He's asking. I think day before yesterday I described you what is ASN, advanced shipping notification. So it is enabled when supplier sending something to us. Before when he started sending, he will send one ASN to us that we are going to send this many items. You should be ready with that particular location so that we'll load it. Barcode, as of now, leave it. License plate, okay, leave it. This one, when we'll do the license plate configuration, we'll configure here. Wave processing, you should see, you should make it blank because we don't require to process the wave on batch. So I am going to disable this one, save it. Create wave process log. These things are same thing only, don't require. These are the standard only. Adjustment not required. Worked, default work user ID, enable the work history log. Whenever we are getting some error, then that error should be displayed in the work creation history log. So that should be enabled. This is things. Release from warehouse. I don't require to create through batch. So let it be. Mobile device, we will discuss what is the mobile device. Let it be. I will discuss you because mobile device is one of the main major part in the warehouse management, because this mobile device is not for us. This mobile device only for warehouse worker who are physically present in the warehouse. So when you are created the work for execution, we have created the work template for execution that we need mobile device, because you can see, suppose you are going to YouTube or somewhere else, how the warehouse worker is working. They have one mobile device or RF gun. Earlier we were using RF gun, now we are using mobile device, mobile emulator. So this mobile device is just like one swiping machine. So the pick and put location should be displayed there. Whenever they put click pick, so that location should be displayed. They go to this location, pick the item, and again they will click put. So they will the put location should be displayed. They will put there. So this is the instruction. The mobile device is give instruction to warehouse worker to what you people do. So this will configure. Returner will create the return journal. Let it be. When will create, we'll discuss. Okay. Loads, these things should never be changed, because as of now in standard, this is not required to change all the things, because this we don't require to do everything automatically. We will do everything manually. If suppose some customization, some projects need some automatic, so we are using, but don't touch this one. If you are clicking this one, load will not be created. So just disable this one only. Location directive failure, let it be. Cycle counting we'll discuss at the time of cycle counting. This is not for product filter. Let it be, we'll discuss later on. Report not required. Packing, okay, packing, when we are going to create packing station, we'll use this one. Early tote reuse means this is, suppose you put click it yes, means the cartoon box which you are using at the time of packing station, sometimes the cartoon box return back to our warehouse. So early tote reuse means we will reuse again these cartoons. Print management, let it be number sequence. Okay. So I have configured all the things. This has been configured. So after setup, directly go to this one. Now your work has been started. So what we did as of now, our site has been created, done. I will share these things to you also when you will be configuring in front of me. This thing done, this thing done, this thing done. Okay. Now we'll go to creating the location things. Okay. Okay. So for location, go to the setup. Everything, go to the warehouse. Here you will do one by one. Okay. So first sequence I will tell you. First, when you are creating one warehouse, what is the main, is the type, what kind of location, whether picking location, whether bulk location, whether staging location, whether bed or location. This is the called location type. So click location type. Already there by default is there, but we will create new things. So I'm creating, first is picking location, gpick. And you can use these things also, doesn't matter. This is manual things, but I'm creating because when you are learning something from beginner from scratch, you should create these things. So for pick location, I'm using G is a prefix for me because I will identify and pick location. Then I need another location called G bulk location, where all the items will be stored in organized manner. I need another item G receive location. By default, my location will be received here when supplier will send. I need another location G bay door, where end of the location where the item should I keep always, put always. Just G bay door location. And stage location, let it be. When we will create using the stage, we will create this type. As of now, I'm creating these things I need. I needed these things, so that's why I've created. Pick location, where the item will be picked. Bulk location, I will store number of items in the bulk location. The receive location, required for now for warehouse management, I need the receive location. That's why I've created. But receive location, where the supplier suppose send something, I will receive the particular location. Bay door is the final location. So the first the location type has been done. Okay. So now go to the location format. Okay. You have created the location type, but what is the format? Format means this one. I will share you these things. Don't worry. Format means yeah, this is the format, or this is the format. Okay, so format means these things is called bulk location or pick location. Every bulk location have what is called? It is called racks. It is called the row. The road is called aisles. This is called shelf, and every shelf is two bin. Every pick and bulk location look like that. So I will create this format. So location type completed. Go to the location format. You can see that location format is there. So already is there, but I will create. So you can use, because USMF given some for basic formats. You can use this one, or else you'll create. So I'll create one G pick format. So we can easily identify what is the G pick format. Okay, giving a name. So first is, I can go to this images, accordingly we'll create. First I need aisles. I need this road. So okay. So what is the format? I will tell you. Format means location format. So suppose one warehouse worker will go to the location, go to the he just being instructed, you should go to that particular location and bring the item or pick the item. So that location will look like that. The real time scenario, how it is look like, I will tell you. This is called A2. Okay. And okay, I'll give you R1 or 4, 2. So what does it mean? It means when the warehouse will go to that particular location, he will go to A2, means aisles 2, rack 1, and 4 number self, 2 is the bin. So this kind of things are everywhere. Now this is, I think, is not visible, but everywhere in one poster will be there. It's look mentioned like that. A2 R142, or somewhere mentioned 12 aisles, rack 0302, and for self is 5 self, one number one number of bin. So this kind of things he will go sequentially. How will you go? He will go directly A2. Okay. Then again he see R1 is a rack 1. Then again he will see 4 number of self and 2 number of bin. So there he could find the item A0001. So for that we are creating format. So I have given aisles. So my location always look like that, aisles. Miles, maybe because you can see maximum our aisles always be 2-digit, or 3-digit is not required, because this 3-digit means is a huge warehouse. Always be 2-digit. Always every warehouse having 20, 30, or maximum 99 aisles. How many aisles here? I think 10 or 15 aisles are there. 10, 15 rows are there. So I'm giving length is always 2. Put new after aisles is racks are there. Rex always, okay, I'll put 2. Rex also 2 digit. Then I will give self. Self always, self always 1 digit only because maximum 9 selves are there. So bins. Bin. Bin. Bin maximum 1 to 2 bins are there. So is it a single digit only? So I'm giving single digit. Okay. And keep remember, always this counting is always below less than equal to 10. If you cross 10, it will throw the error. This is now 2, 5, 6. If you put something 6, it will throw the error. It is too long. The maximum length of the 10 character. Okay. You should keep remember these things. So I have create pick location format. Now I'm create bulk location format. G bulk format. Location format. I'm putting format. My bulk location. If you want, create just like pick format, or else I'm only giving bulk. I'm only giving bulk and 10 quantities. It is also there. You can see. Or aisles, you can put aisles also. Doesn't matter. If you want to put it like that, 6 and aisles 4. Aisles now never be 4, is 2 only. But this is a business requirement. So bulk gone. Then G bay door format. Bay door, there is no format. I think you can see bay door. You can see in bay door there is no format because they are where is the bay door? Where is the bay door? Yeah, bay door, you can see they are putting something in on floor, so there is no format. But some company organization have their format, so I'm keeping only bay door. Okay, so G receive. G receive also I'm putting something else. 3 and what self sorry Rex. Only IELTS and Rex I'm putting. Okay, put it. So now the format we have been created. So I'm going to there. Location typed on. Location format type has been completed. Location format also completed. Okay. Now I'm going to location profile. Location profile is nothing but it is only giving the condition how the location, what kind of location we need. It is the conditions. Suppose you should go to the warehouse again. There is a location profile is there. You should give the click the location profile. You can see the location profile is linked the location for format and location type, and we should give some conditions how the location is look like that. Okay, so I'm creating my location profile. Suppose I'm creating G pick location profile. Okay, I will mention profile like that or else. Okay, G location profile, pick location profile. So I'm using the location for format which I have created. G pick for sorry. This is bulk format. G pick format type which I have created. G pick type. And my pick location should be license plate. Okay, I want to tracking my item through license plate. Allow negative inventory. Suppose item is not available. You want negative inventory. I don't want to negative inventory. Allow mixed item. Mixed item means one location having number of items. Suppose one location having shoes, same location having socks, same location having shoe cover, same location having slippers. You want this one? As of now, I don't want. If you want, I will create another location profile. Then enable location product dimension specific missing. This as per the dimension we will do the location, not required. Allow mixed inventory status. If you want allow mix item, then allow mix inventory status should be allowed. Means in mix inventory status means what? The inventory status should be you can say available, block. There are number of inventory status should be there. You want to do this? I don't want to do this. Okay, let it be. Allow mix inventory batches. You want to means one location having multiple batches. Batches, what is batch number? I will give you one scenario. What is batch number? One by one. Whenever it is coming, I will describe you everything. Okay. What is batch? Batch number. In or Coke or Pepsi bottle, behind the Coke or Pepsi bottle, you can see one number should be displayed. That number is look like that date, some location, something like that. So this is called batch number. Batch number means what? Suppose one customer found this particular Coke bottle having some issue, so he will complain to the particular organization that I am getting this Coke bottle is having some issue, something damage or something gone wrong. So the organization or the company or the manufacturer, what they will do, they will track the item through the batch number and will find out where and which inventories was there the item, and who has manufactured this item, means which portion has been manufactured in this organization. So for tracking purpose, we are using batch number. This is called the batch number. Allow cycle counting. Okay, we'll allow cycle counting. Allow negative round inventory. Okay. Enable location status. Location status required, not required. Enable license plate positioning. Okay, let it be. That we'll discuss it later. Okay, I'm putting allow mix one, because what I suppose we can use the transaction. We can't change the change the location profile. Generate check digit. This is a unique digit. When you creating the location, will create one digit number. So you want to create not required as of now. Let it be. Okay. So allow product dimension. Let it be dimension. This dimension depends upon how the when you will do the any means customization any real-time scenario project, you will give some height of this location. How many heights is there? 20 feet or 30 feet? Width, depth, everything you will give this one. Replenishment, let it be. When you will create work in replenishment methods, we will use this one. So as of now, the pick location has been created. Now I'm going to create G bulk location. Bulk location profile. Bring this one. Location format. Bulk. Yeah, okay. This is the G bulk location. Location type is bulk. Bulk location always license plate tracking. If you want negative inventory, okay, don't put the negative inventory. License plate control location cannot be negative inventory. Okay, remember this one. Mix item, okay, because bulk location having number of items. Allow mix inventory status. Yes, I need, because sometimes some items are there those are available, and some items those are available but someone has blocked the item. Got it now? Because in bulk location there are multiple items are there, because this is the bulk location. This is the bulk location. Some items, because suppose this item is available for picking, transferring to pick location. This item also available, but what happened? For some purpose, someone has blocked the item. We cannot touch the item. So this is mixing is available. Mix inventory status is available. Okay, I will keep it. Cycle counting, because for auditing you have to count this bulk location as well. As of now, this is it. Now G Bedor location profile. Okay, so copy this one, paste this one. Location format should be what we have created. Bedor format. Location type should be G Bedor. Bedor don't require any license plate tracking. Okay, mix item. Yeah, you can put it mix item. Cycle counting Bedor. Okay, you will put it license plate tracking the Bedor. Okay, no, but don't require any cycle counting. because already it has been gone to the end location. So why you will do the cycle counting? Why you will do the auditing? Because before bed or we have already done the cycle counting, or already done the auditing. So let it be. Let's see anything they have configured. This over at the rules. Okay, let it be. Allow the allow the mix inventory status. Now G receive location file. Receive location. Where is the receive? G receive. Okay. Location type. Receive. Receive location not required. Yeah, receive location maybe mixed item. Let it be. Save it. So now everything has been done. We have already configured everything. Okay. Oh, mix it. Okay, let it be. I'll use also same thing. License tracking. Okay. So it has been completed. So I'm going back. So now what happened? Our location profile also completed. Go back to my agenda. There is my agenda. Yeah. So location profile also done. Okay. Now I'm going back again to the warehouse. I'm going the default receipt look. Okay. Let it be. So now this things location. Now what happened? Site done, warehouse management setup also done, location type done, location format done, location profile done. Now finally we have created everything, but now is pending only we'll create the location name. Okay, for location name we should go to setup, go to the warehouse. This is called location. So what is the sequence? Location type, location format, location profile, location. These things you ignore. I will describe you. Suppose when you are going to means you have got practice everything. Say after some advance, I will tell you what is the location set of wizard. Set of wizard means nothing but suppose you are creating multiple locations. So it is very difficult to create one by one location. Set of wizard is there who will create number of location at a time. Let it be. Stocking limit, leave it. I will do. Now first location type, location format, location profile, location. Click location. Now everything has been completed. Means it is the linkage. You can see in our language it is called linkage. Suppose I'm going to create new. My warehouse is G. What was the G main? Okay, G main. Location you can give in your language. Doesn't matter. Suppose I'm giving G pick one location. Okay. Location profile. Location profile for pick location. What we have given? G pick location. Here you can see one generate check digit location is there. Suppose you will select this this check digit number will not create. It is a unique number for identification. Let me I am giving okay only. So I have given G pick location. Okay. So now I will create another location for bulk G main warehouse for G bulk. Okay, G bulk location. For bulk location, what is the profile? Yeah, this one, the profile, G bulk location. Create new for my warehouse. For my warehouse, I'm creating G main is a my warehouse. For bay door, I'm using G bay door. Okay, G bay door is a my location. Location profile, or where I've given the conditions. Where is that? G bay door location. Last one, I'm creating G receive. Sorry. This is a G double H. G main. This is my warehouse. For receive location, I'm going to give this location name is G receive. G receive. Okay, you will give anything. For G receive, what is the profile where I given the condition is G receive location. Okay, so these things I have created. So finally, the location also done. Now because location is done, but in location I have not put any item. Not item is not available. If suppose item is not available, the warehouse worker what they will pick and what they will put. So I will give some item. I will give some adjustment to the item, because in real time already item is there. In real time scenario, these things you don't require to create, because in testing purpose, in development or in FC, you should know these things. So where my item will be there, in pick location or bulk location? Pick location, I'm creating this one. Click this one. Click on hand list. Okay. Warehouse management, location profile. Okay. Already came. Okay. Okay. Click quantity adjustment. Select the inventory display dimension. Select the location. All dimension you should select. Click it. Okay. Click it. Okay. A0001 is my item. Warehouse is G main. Okay. Location is where I will put this item, G pick location. Okay. Inventory status is always yes, available, because I don't block currently. The license plate is showing enabled. Why? Because pick location, I just enable the use license plate tracking. Okay. So the license enabled. For everything, suppose you want to create a new license plate, you should right click, view details, click new. I am giving something LP00001. Randomly you mention, whatever you mention if you want. Save it. That aging date should be displayed. Copy this license plate, close the form, paste here. This is the license plate. Quantity on hand, I will put, suppose as of now I'm putting 10,000 or okay, 10,000, let it be. Click it, okay. It will be processing now. One second, I'll take some water. Whenever you are creating something, yeah. Now the means in my location, you can see, suppose click this one and pick location on hand list. You will see my location in G pick location having this many items are there. Now I'm going to give some bulk location. In bulk location, I also put some item, because suppose in pick location, my item will be finished. Then from where I will transfer my item. So in bulk location, again, same thing, display dimension, location, click it, okay. New, I'm putting A0001. This is GWH. Where is G main? G main, location is G bulk. Inventory status is I put it as of now always. License plate, you can give this license plate which you have created earlier, or else you will create a new one. Not an issue, because you should create a new one, because here what happened, I am creating the license plate for the particular location, bulk location. So don't use the older one. So LP00002 is my license plate. Save it, close the form. In bulk location, I'm putting like 1 lakh item, because there are multiple items are there. So suppose I'm going to the location profile bulk, you can see here mention allow mixed item. Okay. So I'm going to give something extra item, extra new item, A0002. Second, yeah. So G main, location G bulk. So my item is totally now available for picking or for transferring whatever you want. License plate also you should give because this is a new item. I am giving license plate something new one. Click it new LP 00003 something. Save it. Close the form. Bit. I'm putting this item also available 1 lakh. Okay. So now what happened? Mixed item is available in my bulk location. Click it OK. So you got that meaning. What is the license plate? Why license plate required? Allow mixed item. Okay. If you want to create one item which is a blocked item also, this checkbox will be allowed. Okay. And if you want to create, okay, this is ignore. I will describe when I will create one item with batch control. So now I have put some item in pick location and bulk location. Receive location, let it be bed or still now I am not my worker not put any item in bed or. So my bed or quantity you can see is blank. No item still now in bed or. So currently what happened? Adjust quantity also done. So these things done. So Sanjay and Rajendra, you can ask if you have any question, or else we'll do practice at the end of the class, so that now I'm going to configure the rest of the things. Is it okay? Suppose you can ask any question you have or any doubt you have as of now.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll no issue. When you will practice in front of me, we'll do one by one. Means I'll complete these things. After that, you people will start. So now I'm going to start. What will start? These things has been configured. My warehouse is ready. My site is ready. My warehouse is not ready. Oh, I have not given the receive location. Okay, so I'm giving the receive location here. Save it. Let it be. Okay, so I have to refresh the form. Okay, so what is my warehouse? Where is my warehouse? G main warehouse. Okay, so G main warehouse, I could give the receive location. Okay. And you can see this huge warehouse management process is now enabled. Okay, so save it, but it will throw the error. I know because I put it allow partial reservation always, or else it will throw the error. Okay, so now my warehouse ready, my site ready, my setup done, location type done, location format done, location profile done, location done. Item also available in my warehouse, pick location and bulk location. Now, what happened? The process. Customer put a purchase orders that he need. What he need? Customer put a purchase order for he need A0001 item, 10 items he need. So I'll instruct to my warehouse, pick the item for pick location, put the item in put location. After that, create a work and complete. We will complete the work. Okay. For that, I just keep as it is this. I keep as it is location profile. Okay. Let's see. We'll do something duplicate tab. When you after this class, you should my concern is my suggestion is you should first create 2-3 single order picking and putting put or sales order. After that you should log off, because suppose you will think yeah, I understood or what means Gandhi has said, so I'll practice after 2 day or after 1 day. I am suggesting you don't do that. You should practice once or twice. After that you log off. Whenever you start again, you will get that knowledge. So this is my knowledge, my thinking. I'm going to create one. Okay. Now I'm going to configure the warehouse main process. So Sanjay, I'm telling you there is no sequence. You can create the wave template, len location directive, and work template. Doesn't matter. But what happened? We are means doing any project for customization. We are generally using first creating the wave template. So what is the path for the wave template? Go to the setup, wave template. Ignore these things. I will describe you why this is required. When the scenario will come, I will describe you. Okay. Wave template. create a new wave template. Suppose my wave template is shipping double H main warehouse, G main warehouse, right? Okay, this is not double S warehouse, G main warehouse. I'm copying, pasting here. My warehouse is double H main. Sorry, what? G, G main, G main warehouse. Okay. So I want when my sales order will be released from warehouse, the wave automatically creates an yes. When one sales order or sales order released from warehouse, the what is that? The wave line should be created. The work line should be created. Yes. Automatic wave release when my sales are released from warehouse, work will be created. Yes. Okay. These four checkbox ignore. I will tell you when we will create some other picking methods. So let me check the methods. Yeah, first he will validate the wave, then create the load, allocate the wave, and create the work. It's fine now. So wave template created. Now I'm going to create work template. Same setup, work template. Okay, okay. We'll do everything. So I'm going to set up work class. Okay, work class. I'll tell you. Suppose I need sales order. Sales already sales is there. Okay, let it be. So work class, which one I will use? This one I will use because the worker type is sales order. Okay, so I'm going to work template. 1 second. I will take this one as 12. Okay, last. Okay, I'll create a new one. You will create a new one or else delete this one. Sorry. Okay, I'll copy a new one. Once you copy, you have to configure everything. Okay, so my what template is G main double H work template. Okay, this is my what template, and I will use for pick and put. Save it. So you can see the what type is pick. So warehouse worker will know this is pick and put methods. It is mandatory. Directive code is Baydor. I have to go to the edit query. Let's see any query is there. Yeah, query they have given the warehouse which is wrong because I have copied from this what template. That's why it's showing 25. I will give my warehouse G main. Select the plus sign. You will get that warehouse G main. So it will be repeated. You should delete this one. Click it OK. Group will be reset. Yeah, continue. Yes. So I'll put it as 0. So it will go to the top. Okay, it will go to the top. So first what template will be done. Now I'm going to the location directive. So work has been completed, wave has been completed. Now I'll instruct to the warehouse workers which location they will go. Click new. Okay, let's see one. Suppose G G main warehouse pick. Main warehouse pick. Okay. So what type should be? This is what? Okay, I already told you. This is what, how many, where. What I will do, what type should be pick. Warehouse should be G main. Site automatically came. Save it. Now how many? I need maximum pick location, maximum size for this pick item is something like allow split. Okay, I want to allow split. Save it. New. This is called non-fixed location, non-fixed item. save it. Okay, and then again I will take another one is fixed item, fixed location. You'll use only fixed location for the product, save it. For a non-fixed item, I will give some query. Go to the location profile. I want my items should be picked my location profile. What is the my location profile? Pick location profile. Whatever the location has been linked for this particular profile, there he will pick randomly. Okay, randomly. If suppose you want to pick particular location, you should select the location here. Where is the location? Yeah. If you want to pick some particular location, you should use location. Location type, I haven't used anywhere. Location type, why he has given. There are some scenarios you have to give something, the configuration. Suppose I need to pick the item from this kind of height, this kind of depth, and particular location. I haven't used anything anywhere. Means in my projects, this IS bin, why they have given. Okay, block output block, let it be. When I will start, I will tell you. With zone ID, I will tell you. Let it be. When I will create the zone picking list, pick what, then I will say you. Addition zone, they let it be. It will be confusing. Okay, I've given the warehouse and the location profile. Which site location is linked for the particular location profile, there he will pick. Click it. Okay. Fixed location not required, but I am giving the location profile. It is not mandatory for fixed location because it is already fixed. So don't give any query, but I am giving. Okay, so save it. Okay, so now I am creating a new one. This is called 2. What is the G main warehouse put? What put? G main put. I'm giving the directory code as Baydor because it will link with the what template. Okay, because in what template I've given the directory code as Baydor. Click new. I want to put 9999 something. Okay, maximum allow split. Yeah, split also required. New. I'll put in the Baydor only. I don't require anywhere. I will put only Baydor, but I have to give the edit query, give the location profile. Location profile should be the location profile, the location which is linked with the Baydor profile. That will take. Okay, click it. Okay. I will create another one. This is called 3 for G main warehouse multi-put. Suppose stock keeping unit. I've already told you. Stock keeping unit. I will use this checkbox. Put G main directive code as Baydor. I'm using multiple stock. Suppose on another place, suppose item I want to put. So it put you should require the stock keeping unit 99999. Allow split. Put Baydor. Multiple means stock keeping units. Remember that. What is that? Suppose you want to put the item in same means I need to put the large number T-shirt, Reebok T-shirt, white color in one Baydor location. So this is called multiple SKU. Means what I will say that this same path you will put that. Okay. So save it. Keep edit query. Location profile. Now location profile should be sorry. Location profile should be Baydor, right? I'm using Baydor location profile. Where is the Baydor? Yeah, this is the Baydor location profile. Click it. Okay. So now save it. Refresh the form. It will be in sequence. G main pick location. G main put location. Multiple put locations. So my wave template done. What template done? location directive done. Okay, now come to single cell. Now everything has been completed. Okay, now I got a request from sales order, a request from customer that he need 10 A0001 items. So for that, I'm going to create a sales order. Okay, going to the account receivable, order, all sales order. Let's see how the configuration, or else you will get some error. I don't know, because I haven't configured these things in standard. Long back I configured these things. So let's see. Okay, create new. Okay, I'm using this customer because I'm using this customer. Okay, general tab, I'll give my warehouse G main warehouse. Site will come automatically. Click it. Okay. Okay. So I'm using A0001 item, 10 quantities. Working bit slow, bros. Suddenly what happened? Okay, 10 items, and I'm giving unit price is 10 rupees per item. So net amount this one. Save it. I want to reserve the item. Okay, I want to reserve the item. Go to the inventory reservation. Reserve lot. If you don't want to reserve the item every time, I will tell you the setup. How will you do that automatically? Save it. Go to the go to the warehouse. Release to warehouse. Let's see what will happen now. If suppose everything going good, then the war will be created automatically. Wait for some time. It's working very slow now. Work that license plate control cannot be executed is work created on shipment working. What is that work that license plate control cannot be executed automatically? Let it be. What is that? Go to the warehouse and work details. You can, oh, something has done that bed or location is not came. Okay, let's see. What was that error is showing on second? Why the bed or location? Now you can go to the work template and work details. The pick location came, but the bed or location not came. Why not came? 1 second, let me check. Right click. Okay, this is the duplicate one. Go to the warehouse management location directive. Let's see anything gone wrong. This is the pick location. This is the main put location, bay door, edit profile, G bed or location profile. Okay, this is fine. Location profile, yeah, okay. Cancel it. Multiple. Suppose this is edit query. G bed or location profile. Fine. What is that? What template? You can put edit query. G main warehouse. That's fine. Select. Why this is not working? Our bed or location is there, right? Bed or location. Where is that location? So my warehouse is what is my G main, right? G main warehouse, bed or location profile is there. Okay. So and it will not show now. Okay, no issue, no issue. So what was the error is showing? Suppose go to the warehouse parameter, general, final shipping location type is there, bed or I'm using my one. Okay, let it be something else. Miss route, no, is there. Creation history of fine, location directive, cycle counting, location directive failure, stop work. This is not required, but let's see. Okay, 1 second. I'll create another one. Why the location is coming? I'm using okay this one only. Warehouse. Sorry, G warehouse. G main warehouse. Okay. So A0001. Okay. It is. I don't read the manual. Put it automatic. Okay, release the warehouse. Let's see why the license plate something error is coming. Let's see. This work that is license plate control cannot be executed automatically. Okay. Executed automatically. Okay, now where the location came. Okay, let it be. That's one. Let it be. This error I don't know why work that is license plate controlled cannot be executed automatically. Yes, I have not checked automatically. Where I've checked automatically. 1 second. Why the error came? Everything is manual, right? I've saved this one. Work. Let's see in work. Written temporary work table. Work history log is fine. What is that? It says yes, retain the temporary work table that is created during the work processing. This is always okay. Let it be. Let it be. Our work has been created. Okay, our work has been created. Now go to the warehouse tab and work details. You can see the pick location and bed location. I have picked 10 items from pick location, bed, and put in bed door. Now this is completed. Now how will you execute? Rajendra, Sanjay, you got that? How it is creating?
Yes, sir.
Got in a Rajendra? Rajendra is there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you got that idea how it is creating. It is a
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
It is you can understand now, but when you will practicing, it will throw some error or something like that. No issue. You will practicing in front of me only. So now work has been created, but we have to now. What is our job? We have to complete the work. Then we have to load the item. Then we have to ship the item. We have to pack the packing, create a packing slip and invoice it. This is the process. Now work has been completed. So for that, now these things gone to our warehouse worker. So when warehouse worker opened the mobile device, he found that yeah, this is a sales order work. I'll pick the item from GP location. I'll put the item in bed or location. This is his work. So for that, what is the configuration? Click one duplicate tab. Go to now we are going to configure on the perspective of warehouse worker. So what the warehouse worker have in their hand is the mobile device. So go to the setup, mobile device menu items. Click it. Now I am going to create is new. So I am creating G. I am giving my prefix sales order picking. Okay, G sales order picking. Copy and paste. More work because work is created. More work. Use existing work. Yes, because already work is created. I'm using existing work. Display inventory status means suppose you put it enable, it will display the how many items or what is the status. Whether oh my god. Sorry, it was this. Now is audible. Sanjay
Yes,
and
sir. Yes, sir. It was audible. It was audible.
yeah, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so display inventory status. So what I did, I go to the mobile device menu item. I create once G sales picking. G is the my prefix one sales picking. Mode is work because already work is created. Use existing work. Yes, I want the existing work. What is created now? Display inventory status available or blocked. It will display yes. This there is option called directed by. What is meaning? You can option this. There are few more things are coming. System directed means everything will be done. The pick and put location will be shown system. There is no need to put it manually. User directed, put manually. Using user grouping, let it be. I will tell you how it is working. User grouping means there are number of work is there. We will group this. User will group this work. So we'll use user grouping. System grouping. There are multiple work is there where system will grouping. We don't require to put it create it manually. Then cluster picking means cycle counting. For cycle counting, you will use cluster picking, put away, transport loading, let it be. So currently I'm using user directed because I want to do it manually. Okay. Process guide, use process guide means there is a what is called when you are purchasing something, you will get one prospect or something template that will be displayed here. Pick and pack, let it be. Generate license plate. Okay, license plate be created automatically. Anchoring, this is meaning suppose one item has come to our warehouse in the particular location. Suppose this particular location has already multiple items. So this when you enable this anchoring, this item when received, it will go to another item, another location, automatically will go to another location. Let it be. Override target license. This is allow split work will create. When you create, will put it in allow. Keep work locked by user. If you want to click it yes, it will be the work will be locked for the particular user. Let it be cycle count threshold. Let it be. I will tell you that. Let it be. These things you let it be. Group pick. Let it be. When we're creating the group picking, we'll do. Now we are doing only single picking and packing. So general picking license plate also I am disabling. Save it. So okay. We now configure the mobile device in our end, but how the warehouse worker will know? How the warehouse worker will know? These things you will get a idea. You have some doubt. So when I'm going to work template, this is my work. I have created everything for my warehouse. But how the warehouse worker will know? Through work class ID. So I'm going to the mobile device, click it new. My work class ID is sales. Right? My work class ID is sales. I'm putting here. It will come automatically sales order. Save it. It has been saved. So mobile device menu item created. But still now the mobile, you have not put this menu item into the mobile device. Go to this mobile warehouse management, setup, mobile device menu. Main, if you want to, it is outbound logistic. So put it outbound. Select your G sales order picking. Edit this one. G sales order select and this one. Select this row. Save it. Now everything has done. Our work has been done. Everything means this will be displayed to the main that warehouse worker. Open one duplicate tab. I will tell you the URL, the domain for what? Mobile device. So don't worry, when you do this process once, it will be addicted, it will habitual to you. So after MI, there is an equal sign is there. Delete this one, put it action colon WHS work EXECUT action colon WHS work executive. For mobile device, you have to require admin access. Those you have in this environment. Click it yes. Okay, so it will display. It takes some time. That error, why the license plate is coming, I will see after the class because I haven't seen this error anywhere. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Now he will ask the username and password. For username and password, how will you create? Go to the warehouse management, worker, setup and worker. Already one worker is there. Worker is nothing but who has working in this warehouse. Our warehouse, I'm using my warehouse, click it new. Putting suppose Gyan is the user ID. Gyan is the user ID. Default warehouse is mine one. What is the mine one? Is the Gmain menu item. Menu item outbound or main, whatever you want. I am putting main. No, it doesn't matter. Click it save. Put password 123. When you save it, it will ask the password. I'm putting 123. Set password. Okay. Now go to the mobile device. GYAN 123. Login. Okay. So I put my warehouse menu item in outbound. Click it outbound. It will come G sales the picking. Click it G sales the picking. It will ask the work ID. Okay, where is my work? This is my work. I just move here. Okay. It will ask the work ID. So this is the work ID. Every work have their unique work ID. Okay. Copy this one, paste here. Click it OK. So what actually this everything is done by only one person, warehouse worker. Okay, we are not doing, but practically we require this one. LP because we disable this one, or else it will come automatically. So I am checking my LP for the particular item where what is the LP item. Go to the item number. Okay, inventory. This one, more info. By putting dimension, location, license plate, put it license plate. Okay, so my warehouse is G main Okay, my license plate would be pick location. Pick location license plate should be LP001. Copy here, paste here. Okay. So the warehouse worker will go to the G pick location, pick one. License plate is this one. Item is this one. He required 10 pieces. HDMI6 cable. Inventory status is available because we have enabled the inventory status in mobile device. Click it. Okay. Short pick you ignore. I will tell you further. Click it. Okay. So after when you click it OK, it will okay, you want some target license plate. Okay, put some target license plate manually, not an issue. When you click it OK, he will show where you will put. So the warehouse worker got that idea. Yeah, I will put this item in B door location. Target license plate should be target means where which location you will put. This is the called target license plate. So this is OK. I will click it OK. So warehouse worker work has been completed. Okay, work completed. Go to the work. Sorry, close this one. When you refresh the form, the work has been completed. So this is done. So now what happened? We will proceed further because we have created one sales order. This is the sales order. Still it is showing open. Okay, because after that we will receive the item. The process for the sales order should be create the packing slip, invoice it. Go to the work, shipment, because now what happened, the work has been completed and my item is in bay door. Okay, so suppose 1 second, I will show you. Click it. Suppose the item inventory. Okay, so put the dimension, location, item number. Let's say it is in bay door or not. So warehouse is so you can see the item is in bay door. Okay, the item is still, I mean bay door is started, it's put. So I'm going to complete the start the shipment. Okay, so I'm going to work. Where is the work? Okay, I'll close this one. Related shipment, confirm shipment. So shipment has been started. Okay, the shipment has been confirmed, means load has been created. So when you will go to the load means what? Our item is in bay door. We'll take the item from bay door and load into the truck. Okay, so now I'm going to the related information, shipment. Okay, so in shipment, you can see the status is showing shipped, outbound shipped. I'm going to create packing slip. This is a long process. This is a I'm telling you normal process, but there has number of things are there. But suppose you should know the fundamentals, how it is creating. After that, you people will be easy for these scenarios. Because the standard environment only I am doing now because we are generally using the customization. Okay. So click it OK. Click it OK. So our shipment is on the way now. Is truck is going and truck is when you create the packing slip, our truck has been received to the will be received to the customer. So 1 second, when packing slip will be created, when packing slip created, now I'm going to the sales order, refresh the form. It will be what received. This is a sales order. Which one the sales? 1 second. What was our sales order? 836, right? 836, my sales order. 835, this one. Okay, sorry. I'll find out my sales order. 836 is a contain. Click it, apply. Oh, What is that? Oh, sorry, it's putting space. Okay, so my item has been delivered to customer. Once it's delivered, I'm going to invoice it. Click it, invoice and invoice it. Okay, click it. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, so now my everything has been completed. It has been invoiced. So single, this is called single sales order, means I have received one single sales order. I'll pick and put. So there are number of scenarios there. Suppose I have received multiple sales order from different customers. How will you do that? Suppose I have received one sales, multiple sales order. I want to dispatch. I want to deliver different trucks, different shipment. How will you do that? There are multiple scenarios there. Don't worry, we will do. So now it's your turn. You both of you share one by one screen and show me from scratch what we have done. Create and show me. I'm going to say, if you want, you can, I'm going to share this one also, don't worry. This agenda also I'm sharing you through chat box, not chat box, through mail. What you want, you have to create now or you will create after the class and share me the work ID.
We can do it now.
If you want, you can do it. You see the video. My concern, I'm telling you, Sanjay and Rajendra, is better to understand. Open the video one tab, see what I have done. Step by step, you will create once. After that, without see my video, create once. After that, after 1 hour, give some gap 1 hour, create another one. You will get easily this knowledge. Okay, Sanjay, what is your mail ID? Sanjay.
Yes, sir. It's the first one. First one.
First one, na? Okay, and then Rajendra.